no moko des ye. The question is ye beto aba ye nim say nsamayifo sorceress and wo mo yes aniema.
Ebushafo ma munyina akwaba eba Ghana 7 TV GH. Pacho mesere mo like, comment, subscribe. Then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then same. Now the next phase of the conversation that I wanted to have briefly is I think that God is finding his own way of teaching the church a lesson. And this is why I'm saying this. I said right now as we are speaking, NDC Abanwe, they have declared war with the Church of Pentecost. That is what I am saying. Because for the first time in Ghana, it will be a so-called Galamsey site. Because I know the settings here, NDC for they are very good at it. They can even go and pay somebody, say, you come and stand here, let's arrest you. Let's say you are from Church of Pentecost. We will pay you so and so amount of money later. They can do that. It is not more than, it is not above them. They can be that petty, actually. And yes, I got what will be Galamsey site. And strangely, at the Galamsey site, they started asking questions, and some way, somehow, you see Nipano or a church elder. Now, church elder was sorry, Ben Moa, or Musi Church of Pentecost. And sometimes I always say, it's like either NDC people cannot think thoroughly or deeply, or they just think, say, Yen Ghana Foina is stupid. It is one of the two. Either they take us as though we are stupid, or they themselves cannot really think and process things. Adentia, a woman, your mama appointee, Dr. Mary Ewusi, has gone on air to threaten the chairman of the Church of Pentecost. And what was the chairman of the Church of Pentecost talking about? He was talking about Galamsey, illegal mining, destruction of our water bodies and our forest reserves. And that was the reason your appointee attacked him. You went to claim, say you went to apologize with the crocodile tears, no problem. Then the next moment, you are telling me you have arrested somebody at the Galamsey site and the person is an elder of the Church of Pentecost. What are you telling me? Indirectly, as some will catch and say, if the chairman of Church of Pentecost has anyone to advise her, and they should go and advise his own church members. That is indirectly the message NDC is selling through this propaganda that they are running. Yeah. And it is, they have also gotten, they have lost touch with even tactics, political tactics. And anytime such stories will come up against the TV station that reports it first, GH1. And you ask me, why GH1? Because GH1 belongs to Dr. Dufour. Who is Dr. Dufour? A stalwart of NDC. Thank you for the gift, Madam Mo. So they are basically using GH1 to run their propaganda. That's all they've been doing. Ghanaians are asking certain questions. GH1 for almost 6 years, we've been hearing over and over say they are not able to pay their staff. Right? And it's for that reason that people like Bellamundi and the rest left GH1 and Star FM and the rest. Within 1 year of NDC back into power, all of a sudden, GH1 has become the perfect TV station. We are taking note of all these things. And the NDC for the often say, yeah, we can do things and outsmart all of us. No, some of us will ask questions. You are using GH1 to sing praise of the government. You are using GH1 to attack Church of Pentecost. And look, government should be careful. His Excellency John Mahama, you should be careful. Because the kind of things Church of Pentecost, Mahama buying unye half. Yeah, I'm not a Pentecostal member, but the truth is the truth. The hospitals Church of Pentecost has, the schools, the investments. Go to Kaswa and go and see where their center is. It's like a whole city on its own. In fact, Church of Pentecost even went ahead to build a private, highly sophisticated prison for Ghana. They do all these things. And because of Muamu's selfish political points, you want to go tete-a-tete to such an institution. In the end, who suffers? You say when two elephants are fighting, is the grass beneath that surface. NDC must be very, very careful. And the clergy, I hope, say, you are beginning to learn your lessons. I told you some weeks back, say, I went to speak with one of the big men of God, Ghana. And he told me to my face, say, even before they came out to come and lay their hand on John Mahama, His Excellency, that God has changed his mind and God is good, they had a private meeting. And it was just a choreography that they were doing. Everything was choreographed. Every single thing you saw. From the fact, say, Mahama worships with the clergy in Accra and in Kumasi, and then Papa Mu as they come in to and lay hand. God has changed his mind, blah 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 blah. All of them, they had intentionally planned them, and they are beautifully executing it. Right, Auntie Sabana, I don't know if you want to pass a comment on this one. Okay, as Auntie Sabana is not available. Uncle Kofi, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, let me hear you.
Oh, okay. Me da se sɛ wamama kwanya sɛ menkasa anwummere yi. Na NDC party ɛkwan a wɔde Ghana nam so, especially ɔmanpanyin Mahama, ano ɔdene. Nanso so wokɔka no wanya nkurɔfoɔ bi, asɔfoɔ bi, na wɔtoa so ɔmanpanyin wɔyɛ adeɛ. Na abusa sɛ adeɛ pɛ no wayɛ so deɛ a, yɛn mu ntumi mponte adeɛ no sɛ adeɛ sei no wayɛ. Sɛ wohwɛ nsɛm a ɛfiri Bank of Ghana ɛba, na abusa sɛ Ghana yɛkɔɔyɛ anaasɛ yɛbaeɛ. COVID-19 and Russia Ukraine war by Bank of Ghana eboka NDC MPs and Wampanyi Mahama ne Oma Siama ya or governor. And some of Kikan or Ghana na any yang. Mobile yesterday, you won't say BBS because Wampanyi Mahama catcher say, and Tokwesi baby and fat a Ibia Americana inti said the workers of Russia Ukraine war no. Emphasis as will be Americana no. Yenim say Israel ni Iran toko esu esi na mfensu so bi America because omampanyin Mahama wona wo kan sa asam no eto so biem men dwene ho a men tiase ese esiama ya enne wabebo Bank of Ghana ka bebrebe yi na wogina court a ne yedi na asem ene omampanyin Mahama ba okoyi ni free court wono mo ede ne ba ese omeye governor Bank of Ghana biem na kwachi ya mebusa because ɔmanpanyin na ɔte so de ɔka asɛmpɛ no wasoma sɛ yɛ nkɔkyɛw enti yɛ question na mebusa ne sɛ ɔwɔ opposition ɔka kyerɛ sɛ ɔmanpanyin ne de ɔno ankasa wɔntimi nwia sika no na ɔbɛma ne nkorɔfoɔ na awie sika ne de ama ɔka kyerɛ na akufo ado enti me so question na mebusa wo so ɔmanpanyin Mahama ɛno nti na aso kɔfa asiama ɛde ne ba sɛ ɔmɛyɛ saa nneɛma yi na wokɔfie a sɛ sika na bibu botom ana because mo baeɛ no gold a na akufo ado ne Dr. Mahmoud ba mo egu ono mo abeton mo fa Bank of Ghana eka abeda ho na ade a ya na eye mawerɛho enkrofo bi o mo adwene wo fom sɛ krasi ahwie egu fom na wo mo ka sɛ dollar kɔ fom aban a waba a teacher fo ntimi ntuo mo ka anese fo ntimi ntuo ono a ne hye wo mo bo so oba a teacher fo ne anese fo no kra de automatic posting we school na no my automatic posting ontumi nye ezu wetima kukuru sika over 10 billion dollars ese oye ama cedi abafom saa na nsesem we say meminyi ni sesa sika ne kɔ because awotwe ensem Mustafa Gwan de beka kire Ghana fo nyina say ɔmanpanyin Mahama busumi bi otimi ma NDC party no 5.5 million Ghana cedis mantio constituencies nko a enti saa chairman no ne niema no ekɔ no a ene de yɛntie no me pese me hunu se say sika no ehemfa ne free eba cause omampanyi Mahama wo opposition wo ka kire se wo ni sika wo yɛ dɛhwɛ wo omampanyi Mahama onye nipa wo ka no kore na Ghana fo ayɛ mfunso papa o on say yesterday TikTok we yi na me ba so me ka kire Ghana fo nyina say NDC fo nye nkofo mu ni mamamu na omo baaye no IMF na MPP akọ ene sa DDEP na no omo aye no ena ma economy na gina na omo second term no ena mo behunu NDC for because omampanyi Mahama 2012 to 2016 obeji akodwa no free omampanyi Mills nsem no Dr. Kwabradufo no we NDC ni economy was solid bibia nsi wi as wo free so na Ghana gina IMF nti omampanyi Mahama onye nipa a wonim die adibu man amamuo no ebeto no kwam chese ebeto no kwam on te se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a we vice president ya nimdie no obi anim so wo no oni nimdie adibu man na ebibifo no ya na ya dwene ye se obi teborofo a na kire se ene nka buroni ba a wono so ye wo no ka borofo no se ne nka de amamu a na bibia ama no betima ye onye nipa a wonim die adibu man enti sɛdeɛ Ghana esi kosisi ano anase sese niema esisi Ghana fisi omampanyi Mahama wobedi ade yi emoja ahwie gu o Ghana ne niema ekoso na no media me ka asema na me we evidence no brekum DC yo ne MP yo no mo ntem kasakasa aba ho papa ba ko me ka asem ye nti o se ade e be kya me ya to aba na NDC fo no mo koda asieye eye video onye se audio video na me busa o question na me san busa NDC fo ese ye beto aba ye kwada asie ya video no ho nti se omampanyi Mahama wo soma se ye mechemi a video no meyi di amawo because wo de obi kan wasama na wasoma civilian IGP a ese wo civilian IGP so onkwachi ni pakoro me busa se ye kwa akoto aba ye kwada asie ya anase nu nti na basabasa fiti obedi akonwen emoje ahwie guo sofo nsu bempa sasam no we are aware there because wo sofo nsu bempa won ka no kore because nana blemenza wonze ma obi anim se waben obeka ne plane e wo TikTok isu se wo handkerchief na wo preach ekuta wo no emoje ahwie gu a enu nti na sa handkerchief ni kura wo no nana blemenza wo di asem obi aka ya no aba be yi na no so obeka asem be chi ne went ma ma challenge no enti sofo nsu bempa mi busawo se NDC fo ko desi ye no na ase se na abọ mpa ye ma wo wo ya awe de anase utumi kro na wo so wo no saa ne ma na wo gina so de mo de ya na mi wo sa video no ho no mo NDC fo ye beto ba ye ko desi ye enu nti na o man ase no me asi o man mu ya na because ehu se free so mampanyi Mahama be di ade yi enie ma ekoso o man ga na mu ohu emoja hwie gu odoso na brekum papa yi ada regions ni ada yi ndi omo meka omo de o si ye beto aba 2024 ade ye be che no mo koda asiye the question is ye beto aba ye nim se nsamayifo sorcerers and omo yes aniema no na political parties ye beto aba ade ye be che am ye beto aba mo koda asiye anase nu nti na omampanyi Mahama ada ne ye beto aba no ko papa na so na anase ni nyina ka ho question na me bisa
yo
masa NDC party se Ghana fo anhwe ya ombe se o man Ghana because omo nka no kore na dem di twato e ya ahensem e koso Ghana NDC fo mo baaye mo ko oboko e kwachi se edu abagiri e de ne beto afia e beto ayi na the same thing esi sampa se tumi kro na NDC fo mo gina so de kwachi se edu abagiri no the question is antina mo ntimi nyina se tumi kro no so emfa nchi sa modua NDC party se Ghana fo anhwe ya o mbese o man Ghana o party o mo aban ma entro o mo opposition o mo twa ntro saa na emwanwa etu o mampanyin na ma hwe nanim etro draw da nanim entro o kuje to abra kwa de nam ha Sam George de nam ha sami kese party no wontimi hu ba bi o mo kosua o mo opposition mu di ntro o mo ba aban ma o mo twa ntro enti Ghana fo anese fo a teacher for aboko or dada mo so oba obema moto automatic posting no enese mo hu 2028 e kwa adamonim Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia papa ewo nim de na waben a obi onim ne se bia nim se de man ne mana obetimi aye omampanyi Mahama amamu obetu no kwam ndi e besere se 2028 asi edu na asem ba ko esere se ye bu ba ma esi aboaje mungoti asi edu nkatia Julius Debra hwan atofo sen e na hwan wo mu bia no including omampanyi Mahama wo de no compare wo ma enyi into Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia 2028 oman no Ghana fo yemfa nhye ne nsa na omra medi omampanyi me da ase
Uncle Kofi ebusianfo final thing that I want us to but also drop him me drop you while pamcho so that it doesn't fade the life. Final thing we will have to talk, we want to talk about this evening, or unless I remember something else in addition. Any say?
The way drop me.
Oh, okay,